Hey everyone! Last year I designed a BIOS screen using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. At first it seemed simple. I watched many videos so I can understand what I will do, until I found myself diving deep into the phonics BIOS user manual. So I decided to make it. I thought it would be easy until I got stuck on some issues like targeting dynamically created DOM elements. But even with that, I managed to overcome the obstacles and produce a first working version. However, the code is terrible, too large, tangled, and hard to read or edit for others, or for me after a week. But now, after a year from the first version, I decided to do it with modern front end tech with a little bit of help from LLMs. The code goes from this to this. The first experience was hard because the code became large and tightly coupled, and UI elements had to be manually hidden, shown based on key presses. But when I used React, Tailwind CSS, and Redux Toolkit, the code became more maintainable, editable, and readable. You can try it, and if you like it, don't forget to give it a star on GitHub. Thank you!